Happy National Bird Day. Hey, listen, what's up? I'm Tony Sanity. This is here on Sanity 208. Okay. On National Bird Day, January 5th, which is also National Whipped Cream Day. Very cool. Whipped Cream Day because the founder of Reddi-wip, I think his name is Bunny Lapin. Bunny Lapin. He was born January 5th, 1914. He made this stuff 1948. Cool Whip didn't come around until 1966. Now I'm missing a tip, so we're gonna have to we're gonna figure out how to open this. All right, this stuff is older than that stuff. 48, 66, Fruit Loops, and Toucan Sam. 63. We celebrated Toucan's birthday, Sam's birthday last year. This movie, the original Charlie and the Chocolate Factory movie, was 71. The book, okay, the book. What do you think is older? The book? What's the dude's name? Roald Dahl? The book or Fruit Loops? Okay, Fruit Loops, 1 year older. 63, not the movie, the book, 63, Fruit Loops, 64, the book, 71, the movie, 48, 66, January 5th, and Buzzy's about 3. I've been fixing this fence all day. I'm not even on the, as you can see, I'm not on the normal table. I chased the sun to this corner, still lost it. This, you notice nobody has said, 2024, man, that's gonna be my year. Everyone I know is filled with dread and doom, and I don't know, where are the hours? I can't get anything done. But I fixed the fence, took down the trees. Jan 6 is the official end of the extended Christmas period. Get your tree down or you'll be fined. Okay. No snacktivities. All right. I guess the point of this box was because the new movie, which, I don't know. How's the new movie doing? We'll see if that turns berry-licious. Right, Buzzy? And we can try some of this Cool Whip with an H. Reddi-wip, no H. I'm sure that's some kind of Mandela effect. When's National Mandela Day? December 5th? Alright. I mean, that's okay. It's not great. Buzzy, you're going to want to run away. I got to figure out how to smash this can open. Alright. Ooh, berry-licious. Definitely. $2.08. Where's my tip? Bunny Lapin. This is a plastic table. There's a wooden table over there. Buzzy, feel free to run away. There's no way this is a good idea. Okay, Buzzy's gone. Okay, pretty good cereal. Berry. It's more berry, obviously, more berry than normal Fruit Loops. We'll give it a Cool Whip, National Whipped Cream Day. ASMR Sanity. We'll give it a 5, solid 5. Let's go on a field trip. Reddi-wip, 1948 and strong, 75 years old, baby. Oh yeah, I got the new-ish Toucan Sam. Funko Insanity. Check this out. Follow your nose. I'll follow my nose to the smell of whipped cream all over the yard. So is this compressed air or what? How does this work? What a disaster. Oh, no artificial growth hormone. That's cool. Shake well 4 times. Mr. Ready Whip, I want my money back. There's no tip. Oh, I ruined my collector's box. You know I don't care about Funko boxes. Oh, happy birthday. That goes way back. Not to be... Hey, I'm saying it wrong. It is indeed National Bird Day. Jan 5th. That does go way back to the 18-somethings. 1880s, maybe. But that is not to be confused with Bird Day. Not World Bird Day, but just straight up Bird Day, May 4th. And that goes back, I think, to the Audubon Society 1700s. My God, what a day. What a time to be alive. What a January 5th to remember. Whipped cream, Cool Whip, Ready Whip, Gene Wilder, and, oh God, Toucan Sam. 1 can play the game, 2 can play the game, thumbs up, and move on.